Teka, makikita yung arms ko na yan. Ay, wow!
Oh, I mean, one by one. You be careful. This is nice. This is nice.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Ang dami sa stone na lumatik-tik.
Security for the army and safety from outsider soldiers if they are coming. So some information regarding this fort, this is a photo point, you can see the beautiful picture, and you are noticing some round stones, some bollards, some cylindrical stones are over there onto the wall. What is the purpose of those stones? For the protection, you are right. So protection how? This fort is having, normally forts are having so many entrances and exits, but this Jaisal fort, only one. This is only entry and exit.
But there are 4 gates.
And after this gate, if this gate is closed, the family members, inside people they are in. Now thereafter turn right for second gate, then few walk for third gate, then main entrance. Thereafter a small little open courtyard, palace, and whole population is living there. That is the idea of the Fort Jaisal. 1156 is time period when this fort was founded by the Maharaja Jaisal. Jaisal. Jaisal is the name of ruler. Meru means the fort. He constructed very safe fort onto the hill. Thereafter the bollards and cylindrical instruments are over there. The cylindrical instruments are over there, and inside everything is safe and secure. Ganesh pole. Now another gate. Ganesh pole. Lord Shiva's son Ganesha. He is sprinkling the health, wealth and prosperity. Because you are the guest of the royalty, the Lord Ganesh is over there and he is shouting.
Barhabili.
Welcome, welcome.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. Suprabhat. Jan Rajyo Maro. So now this is the picture point. This is the Jain temple. Very old. Best one into the architecture part. We are going to look into the Ranakpo. And just you can look, beautiful construction that time. the scarcity of the water in Jaisalmer, so that's the reason they are not using any cement. So they only assembling the stones to stones, and by the stapling and the clapping system, this is constructed, sir.
Those are still original?
It's still original. It's still original because Stone Age is like 1,000 years. So it's nowhere they are just going. No cement, just jumble. They they created a nail, insert the stone in it. So nowhere it's just going. I will show you somewhere it is clipping system. Yellow sandstone, and you can look the time period 1536, near about 16th century.
Is this part of the Jain?
This is the same. All temples are over here. They are belonging to the religion Jain. And if you look, this is the Parshvanath temple, and this is bit more earlier, 100 years back. Go. 16th century, that's the 15th century. And that's July 15. So 9 June 15 is a Yagyopavit. Yagyopavit means in the family some boy born. Now they are getting the purification of that boy because after the mother womb just came now looking the sun.